In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Etsy, providing you with a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial perfect for beginners. Let's dive right in. To start, we'll begin by heading over to the Etsy website. You can easily do this by opening a web browser and entering etsy.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the sign-in option, which is usually found at the top right. Click on it. If you already have an account, you can log in using your existing credentials. Otherwise, not to worry, click on the option to continue with Google or register to create a new account seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, locate and click on the Shop Manager. This option is a central hub where you'll manage everything related to your store. You'll encounter a prompt to click on "Let's do this," so go ahead and do that. This next part is crucial as you'll be selecting the type of products you're selling. Choose digital and click next. As we continue, there will be an option to start your shop. Click on that. Input essential details such as the shop language, shop country, and shop currency. Ensure these reflect the preferences for your target market. Once you've set that up, hit save and continue. Now, it's time to name your shop. Get creative here. A catchy, memorable name is essential as it will be your brand's identity on Etsy. For the financial part, you need to specify the country where your bank is located. Click on individual as your shop type and fill in the required information including your TIN number and taxpayer address. Enter your bank details carefully, ensuring everything is correct, then click continue. Your next step involves identity verification. To do this, click on With Persona and then Begin Verifying. Follow the prompts to complete this process. After verification, you'll return to the shop setup. Here, you'll need to input your credit card information and make any necessary payments to finalize the shop establishment. Now you're ready to list your first digital product. Return to the Shop Manager and click on Add Listing. Choose digital files for your product type, then confirm that you made the final product. This section requires adding a descriptive and enticing title for your Notion template. Include photos of your templates to attract potential buyers. A tip here is to create eye-catching thumbnails using tools like Canva. Proceed to upload your template file, ensuring it's in a format that buyers can easily use, such as PDF or template links. Enter a detailed description of your product, outlining its features and benefits. This information aids customers in understanding the value they're purchasing. Next, set your price and indicate the available quantity for sale. Choose a relevant category for your product, labeling it accordingly. Afterward, you might want to highlight any unique features of your template. Once all this is done, tick the box to feature the listing prominently and then hit publish. Congratulations, you've now successfully listed your Notion template on Etsy. Follow these steps diligently to set up your shop and start selling with confidence. Good luck with your new venture on Etsy.